I'm fine. Why are you looking at me? What do I have?
Oh, they're coming.
They're gonna fucking hate me.
This one, if you hadn't have been standing on the top of it, you would have had everything.
Oh.
The big one's like, I already tried that. I know it doesn't work. Come on, try one more time. Just, you know, so we can degrade you for it.
No.
The cats are all looking at the camera. They're not looking. Yo, it's in there. Yeah, it's in there. Yeah, you want to see it? Wait. It's mine. Come here. Wait, look. Watch this. Look. Wait. It's on me. I'm gonna try.
You asshole.
They're all four moves.
Poor Spanky's about to get crawled over.
Why get stepped on? You can go under.
The big cat fucking did what he did last time. He just like failed and then he went to go eat it. Like the other food, he's like, I don't eat your shit. But he's like, it's not as good as the wet food though. He's like, but I need to come back. He just beat the shit out of him.
You're just doing it for Lucifer, you're like, no one else can touch it.
Yo, it's in here. What you have to do to open it is you have to take this metal thing. Look, see, look, the metal thing opens it. Look, the metal thing closes it. Now you do it.
This is all mine.
Look, it's like almost off. Like it's like cracked.
Push with your face. Or do you have claws?
Wait. You get to have a little bit, and then it's around too. I like how you like enjoy this.
I like how you're smart and realize that I can use these claws.